Incorporating resilience into comprehensive plans is key. It's how you start the whole process of resilience. And so because that is so important, and because we heard from a number of localities that that was a priority for them, that was something they wanted to work on their resilience action checklist, we hosted a webinar and invited some experts to talk to us about how they've been doing that. So Brian Sweats, the planning manager for the city of Portsmouth, talked about their efforts. They redid their comprehensive plan to incorporate resilience throughout it. And Shannon Alexander from the Accomack Northampton Planning District Commission came and spoke about their efforts to incorporate resilience into their hazard mitigation planning as well. And then Gray Montrose, Assistant Director of the Virginia Coastal Policy Center. And by the way, I should note, because I guess I was supposed to introduce myself as well, that I do direct the Virginia Coastal Policy Center at William & Mary Law School, for those of you whom I don't know. Gray discussed building resilience into comprehensive plans and mitigation planning. And some of the important takeaways were that this is such a great opportunity to educate your community leaders, to line up your leadership behind resilience ideas, to define resiliency for your community. All of those are important points. And I would encourage you to check out the video, and the slide decks are both posted on the RAFT website in the hyperlinks on the slide. We also had Mary Carson Stiff, who's the policy director at Wetlands Watch, a nonprofit that's very active in the world of the community rating system for the National Flood Insurance Program. She came and discussed the ties between incorporating resilience into your comprehensive planning efforts and how that can help you to earn community rating system points for your community. So again, it's an important way to start out the resilience discussion, and I encourage you to check out the link on the slide.